Did you know India's most popular fashion brand does not sell online? It's offline and yet filled with Gen Z customers. That is Zudio for you. Welcome back to Marketing Uncharted, and today we are discussing how Zudio is redefining the rules of fashion industry and is flocking in Gen Z customers while being offline. So let's get into it. Let's understand the rise of Zudio. Under the name of Tata Trent Limited, Zudio is a fast fashion brand unlike Westside, which has a more premium look and feel. Zudio's target? Tier 2, Tier 3 cities and people with a mid-income range who do believe in fashion and want fashion accessible to them. And guess what? In 2024, Zudio stores actually surpassed the number of Westside stores and their revenue was even higher than Westside. So what is Zudio's strategy? Actually, they were not trying to be any high street, high fashion brand. They were their own Zudio. Zudio opened stores in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities initially, and they did not choose any secluded, premium, posh locations. They were situated right in the middle of the market so that maximum number of people could get access to the fashion and come across the extremely amazing designs that they had to showcase. What did this give them? Number one, it was a locational advantage. Their rents were low because they were not at a premium location, but they had a slightly premium feel for where they were located. And number two, they had the eyeballs of the maximum number of people available at maybe a lesser price. And here's the best part, Zudio was offline, and this was not any limitation for them. They wanted people to come inside the stores, experience the garments, try them and realize the old shopping experience and yet give them a new age feel. Being under the Tata Trent ecosystem, Zudio had a massive advantage of an established logistics and operation system. They also had advantage because an already established team was looking for their real estate. By keeping everything offline, they have got the excitement of discovery into the Gen Z, and there's also an advantage that no e-commerce platform can replicate this format because they are not selling online nor are they giving any online discount. So here's the success story of Zudio. They were not trying to be H&M or Zara. They were into fast fashion. They kept their designs fresh. They kept changing them, the prices were affordable, and the best part, they understood the Indian middle class, middle income group, and their designs were meant to fit the taste, tonality and the body type of Indian customer. And in less than a decade, Zudio has over 500 stores across the country and they are just getting started. Zudio proves that you do not need any influencer hype or massive campaigns. All you need to know is your audience to be successful. The strategy was simple. Stay grounded, stay smart, stay offline. And if you have liked this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel so that we can keep bringing back good content for you. Thank you for watching.